Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. And I know these kids are gonna laugh at me. I've been wondering, how were they recording on their iPhone or their Android, and they're 30, 40, 50 feet away and it still sounds crystal clear? So I was doing a little research and I run across a video and I found out how they were doing it. They had wireless microphones, and this one right here is a Lavalier. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox it and show you what comes in the box, and then I'm gonna step outside and do a video, and I'm gonna step away 10, 20, 30, 40 feet and just listen to the clarity, and you guys tell me what you think. So let's unbox this. Okay, I ordered this today and it arrived today. So it arrived within 6 hours of placing the order. But this is the box it came out of. As you can see, it's made in China. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. And it comes in this little round case. It's about as round as a baseball. And it also comes with these instructions in here. It's really simple. It's really just plug and play. And if you need to repair it, there go the instructions. You can pause this video and just follow those instructions if you get a red light. But this is a little case. Like I said, it's about the size of a baseball as far as the diameter. And it's about maybe 2 inch thick. But what comes in this box is your charging port, which has a USB. And you also got an extra clip in case the one that you have break. So they send you an extra clip with this. And you've seen the price, and I thought it was pretty good for this price. And you also have the receiver, which plugs into your iPhone, the back of your iPhone. And you have a mic right here that you clip on your shirt. So this mic right here, it have to be charged, but it was charged when I got it. And this receiver, it just plugs right into your phone. And if you need to reset it, it has a little hole, and just take a pin and reset it if you're getting a red light. But this mic, what you do is just push the button once. And once you push it, it'll start blinking. The green light means it's paired. So if it's blinking like that, it's paired. And to turn it off, you want to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Hold it in for 3 to 5 seconds and the light will go out. And to turn it back on, just push it once like this and it start blinking. That lets me know it's paired. And just hold it for 3 to 5 seconds to turn it off. And this straight out the box. I haven't charged it yet, but if you want to charge it, they recommend you charging it for about 1.5 hours. Just plug it in there and plug it into your computer or any kind of charger you have, and that's it. Just charge it for about 1.5 hours.
Okay, I'm recording from my phone with this mic. So as you can see, I'm walking off. I'm about maybe 10 feet away. I'm about 20 feet away. So I don't think I'd be no further than this. I think I'm right at about 40 feet. So if you can see, I'm here by my fence. And the volume, you guys tell me what you think. Is the volume sound okay? And if you want to purchase one of these, look in the description below. So they say you can go maybe 100, maybe 200 feet away, but who's going to leave their device that far away? Somebody going to run off and take it or steal it. But right now I'm about 40 feet away, and this is what the volume sound like. And I'm recording this from my iPhone 13 Pro. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.